Step 1, take off the tie-down bracket located under the back right, and it was formerly in this position here, just above the muffler. That bracket was formerly located right here. This is the existing frame. Okay, so once that bracket's off, you now have full access to these holes on each side of the frame, and that's where you're gonna just slide your bolts through and holding this trailer hitch up in position as you do so. So if we go under here, we can see that those are those two ports there, and you just kind of put those in, have them ready to go, hold up your trailer hitch, and once it's in place, slide those in, hold it up, and then you'll have one side done, and then you can move to the other side. From there, we're just going to put some bolts and washers on, and you want the concave side, or the side with the teeth on it, touching the trailer hitch. Those are going to go this way.
Okay, so here's those washers going on. Teeth inside against the trailer.
And this here, this is part of your frame as well. It's pre-tapped, so that's what these are here, and those are just going to go in as so, and there's no need for a bolt on the other side. And those are going to go right here on each side. Okay, 2 tips. Before you get to over tightening, make sure that that's lined up with that hole there, and put your bolt in and get it lined up and kind of snug and secure. Just because if you over tighten those and it's off center, you're not gonna be able to get this in, and you'll have to redo it. Also, lots of sand falling in my face, so maybe wear some glasses. Okay, where this bolt comes in, the bolt's not going in so well. It's not very rusty at all, but there's debris and maybe a bit of surface rust. So I'm gonna take those to this spot here and clean it up a little bit. I felt like I was gonna snap the bolt. Looks like that did the trick. Let's take a look underneath. 2 bolts up there, nice and snug. That one in there, snugged up, no gaps. And other side, looking good.
Okay, so I've got this taken out. That was 4 screws. Pop 2 clips, and that, and this, and that. Easy peasy. And then just kind of unhooked this from there like that, and then just pop this out, and that's our connection point right there. That's where this is going to plug into, and then some double-sided tape on the back side of there, and then we'll do a self-tapping screw to ground that out, and we'll feed that out the back.
Alright, there's the receiver hitch fully installed. I also got myself a hitch with the 2-inch lift. That was just a nice height for my boat, having it kind of level. And you can see the wire harness coming out the trunk, and that just kind of closes nicely on there. And yeah, here's that full view, all done up. And I also got myself a cargo rack. This thing's been awesome, like super great for road trips. Here I've got double stacked totes, so total of 4 totes there. Opens up a ton of extra travel capacity, and yeah, love the little cargo rack. It was about 150 bucks off of Amazon. I think you can pick them up at Costco as well, but highly recommend. Alright, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you found that useful.